Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very beautiful and stylish latex leather outfits and dresses for men. All of these designs are so beautiful, so stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. So my dear friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish outfits online, you can buy these outfits from Amazon.com, etswear.com and AliExpress.com. I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these outfits online. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.